Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my dog, Gracey. Alright. Stop, go. So I have 3 dogs, and this is my very favorite dog right here. What the heck are you doing? She's naughty, cute, sneaky, friendly, and wild. She loves playing with toys, and she's 2. She's a blue heeler mix, and she gets scared of a lot of stuff. Yeah, she's a pretty sensitive dog, and also, she's barking right now at the other neighbor's dog. I don't know what his name is. His name's like Buddy or something. I don't know. Gracey, stop! No, she's not that. Stop! Stop! Oh my gosh. Stay back. Okay. I don't know what to do about her. Come here. Alright, 1 second. Just gonna put it here and catch her real quick. Come here. Come here. Get back here. Oh. I don't know if I can catch her. Alright, whatever. You saw her. Yeah. So, she's just going to be doing this the past few minutes, so I guess I'll just end it here. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.